Welcome back to the 401 KDC Hub, where we break down complex retirement plan concepts into easy bite-sized lessons for back-office professionals, BPO teams, new hires, and curious learners alike. Today, let's take a walk through the world of compliance. It might not sound exciting at first, but trust me, compliance is the quiet guardian of every 401k plan. Without it, the whole structure could collapse. Let me tell you a story. Meet Ava, the plan administrator. Ava just got promoted. She's now responsible for managing a mid-sized company's 401k plan. At first, she thought it was all about payroll deductions and employee education, but soon she realized there's a guardian path every plan must walk, the path of compliance. Why? Because 401k plans are qualified retirement plans. That qualified status gives employers tax benefits and allows employees to defer income taxes. But to stay qualified, the plan must follow IRS and Department of Labor rules carefully. What is compliance in a 401k? Ava learned that compliance means ensuring the plan operates within the law. That includes making sure it doesn't favor highly compensated employees, that contributions are within legal limits, and that employees get timely and fair access to the plan. Non-compliance could mean penalties, loss of tax benefits, or even disqualification of the plan, and that's not just bad, it's devastating. So, Ava starts learning about the major compliance tests. These are like yearly checkups to make sure everything is healthy. ADP test, actual deferral percentage. This test compares how much highly compensated employees defer versus non-highly compensated employees. If the gap is too wide, the plan may be favoring the top earners. ACP test, actual contribution percentage. Similar to the ADP but for matching and after-tax contributions. It ensures fairness in employer matching. Top-heavy test. This test checks if more than 60% of plan assets are in accounts of key employees like owners or officers. If so, the plan may need to make minimum contributions to non-key employees. Coverage test. This test ensures the plan doesn't just cover a select group of employees. It must be broadly available to eligible workers. Once Ava learns the tests, she finds out about the critical reports and forms she needs to manage. Form 5500, the most important form. Filed annually with the DOL, it reports plan details, assets, and compliance status. Think of it as a public snapshot of the plan's health. Summary Annual Report, SAR. This is a condensed version of the 5500, which must be shared with participants. It tells them the plan's basic financials and filing status. Form 1099-R, used to report distributions from the plan, including rollovers, withdrawals, and required minimum distributions. Form 8955 SSA, reports terminated participants who still have balances in the plan. This helps the Social Security Administration track future benefits. Ava also ensures her files are in order. Plan document, the legal foundation of the plan. Adoption agreement, custom choices made by the plan sponsor. Investment policy statement, guides how plan investments are managed. Loan policies and hardship rules, define how and when employees can access their savings. As Ava dives deeper, she realizes this isn't just paperwork. It's about protecting employees, building trust, and preserving tax advantages. Employees are treated fairly, contributions are properly tracked, the company avoids fines and audits, participants can save with confidence. Now Ava sees compliance not as a burden, but as a shield and compass. It protects the plan and guides decisions. And just like Ava, you, whether you're new to 401, Ks, or a back-office associate, play a crucial role in keeping that shield strong. Because when a 401k plan stays qualified, everyone wins. The employer, the employee, and the future. That wraps up today's episode on the compliance journey. If you're enjoying this series, don't forget to follow the 401 KDC Hub. For more accurate and up-to-date info, always refer to IRS and DOL website. This podcast is for educational purposes only. Until next time, stay curious, stay compliant, and keep building that retirement knowledge.